Learn English easily with simple, real-life conversations.
Hello, hello. Welcome back to Real Talk English Now.
Hey everyone, great to have you here.
I'm Emma,
And I'm James.
and today we're talking about something we all do every single day.
That's right, we're talking about routines, morning routines and night routines.
Yes, and here's the fun part. James and I are very, very different.
Oh, so different. I'm an early bird. Do you know this phrase? An early bird?
An early bird is a person who wakes up early. James wakes up at 5 a.m.
5 a.m. every day.
And me, I'm a night owl.
A night owl is a person who stays up late at night. Emma, what time do you go to bed?
Usually midnight, sometimes 1 a.m.
Wow. So today we're going to compare our routines, morning versus night.
And we'll teach you lots of useful vocabulary, words and phrases you can use every day.
Before we start, if you're new here, welcome. We make English simple and fun.
Please like this episode and subscribe. It really helps us.
Okay, Emma, are you ready?
Ready. Let's talk about our routines.
So let's start with the morning. I'll go first because I love mornings.
Of course you do.
Okay, so my alarm goes off at 5 a.m.
My alarm goes off. This means the alarm makes a sound. It wakes you up.
Exactly. My alarm goes off at 5 a.m. and I wake up immediately.
Immediately? Right away?
Yes, right away. I don't hit snooze.
Hit snooze. This means you press a button to sleep 5 more minutes.
I never hit snooze. I get out of bed immediately.
Wow. I hit snooze 3 times every morning.
3 times?
Yes. My alarm goes off at 7 a.m. I hit snooze. Then 7:15, I hit snooze again. Then 7:30.
Okay. So you finally wake up at 7:30.
Yes, I finally wake up at 7:30.
Finally, this means after a long time or at last.
Right. So, James, what do you do after you wake up?
The first thing I do is nothing.
Nothing?
Well, I don't look at my phone.
Ooh, this is important. James doesn't look at his phone.
No phone for the first 30 minutes.
Why not?
Because when you look at your phone first thing in the morning, you feel stressed.
Stressed. This means worried or anxious.
Exactly. You see emails, messages, news. It's too much.
That's great advice. Don't look at your phone for the first 30 minutes.
It's so important. Instead, I drink water.
Drink water. This is a simple action. Very healthy.
I drink a big glass of water. Then I open the curtains.
Open the curtains. This means you pull back the curtains to let sunlight in.
Yes, natural light helps you wake up.
Good tip. Do you exercise?
Yes, I do some stretching.
Stretching. This means you move your body to feel relaxed and flexible.
I stretch for 5 minutes. Arms, legs, back.
Nice. Then what?
Then I brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth. Everyone knows this one. You use a toothbrush.
I brush my teeth for 2 minutes.
2 minutes? That's a long time.
It's the right amount of time. Dentists say 2 minutes.
Okay. What about breakfast?
I make a quick breakfast.
A quick breakfast. This means a simple, fast breakfast.
Yes, I eat oatmeal with fruit.
Oatmeal. This is a warm cereal. Very healthy.
I love oatmeal. It gives me energy.
Energy. This means power or strength to do things.
Exactly. Then I take a shower.
Take a shower. You wash your body with water.
I take a cold shower.
What? Cold?
Yes, cold water wakes you up. It's amazing.
I could never do that. I take warm showers.
That's okay. Everyone is different.
So let's repeat James's morning routine. Ready?
Ready.
First, his alarm goes off at 5 a.m.
He wakes up immediately.
He doesn't look at his phone.
He drinks water.
He opens the curtains.
He does some stretching.
He brushes his teeth.
He makes a quick breakfast, oatmeal with fruit.
He takes a cold shower.
Perfect. Good job, everyone. You're learning so much.
Okay, now let me tell you about my morning.
I'm curious, what's your morning like?
Well, as I said, my alarm goes off at 7 a.m., but I hit snooze.
3 times.
Yes, so I finally get out of bed at 7:30.
Get out of bed means you leave your bed, you stand up.
Right, so I get out of bed at 7:30, and the first thing I do is I look at my phone.
Oh no.
I know, it's a bad habit.
A bad habit is something you do often, but it's not good for you.
Yes, looking at my phone first thing is a bad habit. I want to change it.
You can do it. Maybe try James's rule, no phone for 30 minutes.
I'll try. Okay, so after my phone, I make coffee.
Make coffee, you prepare coffee.
I love coffee. I can't start my day without coffee.
I can't start my day without coffee. This means coffee is very important to her morning.
Exactly. I drink my coffee slowly.
Slowly, not fast, taking your time.
Yes, I sit on my couch, drink my coffee, and I just relax.
That sounds nice.
Then I take a shower, a warm shower.
Of course.
I brush my teeth in the shower.
Oh, interesting. You brush your teeth in the shower?
Yes, it saves time.
Saves time means you do things faster.
After my shower, I get dressed.
Get dressed, you put on your clothes.
Yes, I usually wear jeans and a t-shirt. Very simple.
Do you eat breakfast?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. If I'm hungry, I eat a banana or some toast.
Toast, this is bread that you cook until it's brown and crispy.
Yes, toast with butter. Very simple.
What time do you leave for work?
I leave around 8:30.
Leave for work, you go out of your house to go to your job.
Right, so my morning is much more relaxed than James's.
That's true. Let's repeat Emma's morning.
Great idea.
First, her alarm goes off at 7 a.m.
She hit snooze 3 times.
She finally gets out of bed at 7:30.
She looks at her phone. Bad habit.
She makes coffee.
She drinks it slowly.
She takes a warm shower.
She brushes her teeth in the shower.
She gets dressed.
And sometimes she eats breakfast, a banana or toast.
She leaves for work at 8:30.
Perfect. You're doing great, everyone.
Okay, now let's talk about night routines.
Yes, this is my time.
Emma is a night owl, so she loves the evening.
That's right. James, what do you do at night?
Well, I eat dinner around 6 p.m.
Eat dinner, your evening meal.
Yes, I cook a simple dinner, maybe chicken and vegetables.
Do you watch TV?
Sometimes. I watch TV for 30 minutes, maybe 1 hour.
Watch TV. You watch television programs.
After that, I read.
Read, you look at words in a book.
I love reading. I read for 30 minutes every night.
What do you read?
Usually fiction, novels.
Novels, long storybooks.
Yes, reading helps me relax before bed.
Before bed, before you go to sleep.
Then I brush my teeth again.
Again? 2 minutes?
Yes, 2 minutes.
And what time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 9 p.m.
9 p.m.? That's so early.
Go to bed, you lie down in your bed to sleep.
I know what it means, but 9 p.m.? Wow.
I need 8 hours of sleep, so 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. is 8 hours.
That makes sense. Okay, my turn.
Tell us about your night.
I eat dinner around 7 p.m. or 8 p.m.
Later than me.
Yes, after dinner I clean up.
Clean up, you wash dishes and make the kitchen clean.
Right, I clean up the kitchen. Then I usually call a friend.
Call a friend, you talk to a friend on the phone.
I love talking to my friends at night. We talk for 30 minutes, sometimes an hour.
That's nice.
Then I watch Netflix.
What do you watch?
TV shows. I love watching series.
TV shows or series, programs with many episodes.
I watch for 1 or 2 hours.
2 hours, that's a lot.
I know, but I enjoy it. Then around 11 p.m., I start to wind down.
Wind down. This means you start to relax and prepare for sleep.
Yes, I dim the lights.
Dim the lights. You make the lights softer, less bright.
I also drink herbal tea.
Herbal tea. Tea made from plants like chamomile. No caffeine.
Chamomile tea is my favorite. It helps me feel calm.
Calm, peaceful, and relaxed.
Then I do my skincare routine.
Skincare routine. You wash your face and put on creams.
Yes, I wash my face, use toner, and moisturizer.
Do you brush your teeth?
Of course, I brush my teeth.
And then bed.
Yes, I go to bed around midnight.
Midnight? So late.
For you, yes. For me, it's normal.
Okay, everyone, let's recap. Let's remember the key phrases from today.
Great idea. Here are some important ones.
Wake up, to stop sleeping.
Alarm goes off. The alarm makes a sound.
Hit snooze. Press a button to sleep 5 more minutes.
Brush your teeth. Clean your teeth with a toothbrush.
Take a shower. Wash your body.
Get dressed. Put on clothes.
Make breakfast. Prepare your morning meal.
Go to bed. Lie down to sleep.
Wind down. Start to relax before sleep.
And remember our big tip.
Don't look at your phone for the first 30 minutes in the morning.
This is so important. It helps you feel calm and focused.
Focused, able to concentrate and think clearly.
Try it. We promise it will help you.
You're doing amazing, everyone. We're so proud of you.
Keep practicing. Use these phrases every day. We want to hear from you.
Here's our question. What's the first thing you do in the morning?
Do you drink water like James or coffee like me?
Or maybe you exercise or check your phone.
Tell us in the comments. We read every single comment.
And if you're listening on a podcast app, send us a message or leave a review.
We love hearing from you.
Okay, that's all for today.
Thank you so much for listening.
Remember, practice makes perfect.
Keep learning, keep improving.
We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.